Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best mirrorless cameras for photographers and videographers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first upgrade or a pro searching for top-tier performance, we've got you covered. From compact designs to powerful features, these cameras deliver stunning image quality without the bulk of a DSLR. Stick around to find the perfect mirrorless camera for your needs. Number 5. Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 isn't just a camera, it's a statement. Designed for professionals who demand the absolute best, this flagship mirrorless camera combines groundbreaking technology with unparalleled performance. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or high-speed action, the EOS R1 is built to keep up with your pace and deliver results that exceed expectations. At the heart of the R1 is the new Canon-designed 24.2 MP full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. This sensor, paired with dual-pixel AF, ensures lightning-fast autofocus and stunning image quality. But what truly sets it apart is the cross-type AF at the imaging sensor, a first for Canon. This innovation allows for even greater precision and reliability when tracking fast-moving subjects, making it a game-changer for action photographers. Speed is where the R1 truly shines. With pre-continuous shooting, the camera captures the previous half a second of images before you fully press the shutter button. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX GH7. The Panasonic LUMIX GH7 is here, and it's ready to revolutionize the way you create. Designed for filmmakers, content creators, and hybrid shooters, this Micro Four Thirds powerhouse combines cutting-edge video capabilities with seamless workflows and unmatched versatility. Whether you're shooting for social media, documentaries, or high-end productions, the GH7 is built to deliver exceptional results every time. Let's start with the headline feature: Apple ProRes RAW internal recording and world's first 32-bit float recording. These advancements are game changers, offering unparalleled flexibility and quality in post-production. With the ability to record 5.7K 30p Apple ProRes 422HQ and Apple ProRes RAW HQ internally, the GH7 ensures your footage retains every detail and nuance, giving you the freedom to push your creativity further. Number 3. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Packed with groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology, this camera is a testament to Canon's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or hybrid shooter, the R5 Mark II is designed to keep up with your creativity and exceed your expectations. At its core lies the brand-new Canon-designed full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS 45 MP sensor. This sensor is a game-changer, delivering stunning resolution, exceptional dynamic range, and incredible low-light performance. Number 2. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is here, and it's ready to redefine what you expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or a bit of both, this camera is a versatile beast that delivers exceptional performance across the board. With its 6K/60p internal NRAW video recording, best-in-class EVF, and advanced autofocus system, the Z6 III is a tool that inspires creativity and confidence. Let's start with the video capabilities because they're nothing short of spectacular. The ability to record 6K/60p internal NRAW is a game-changer for filmmakers, offering unparalleled flexibility in post-production. Number 1. Sony Alpha 1 mirrorless camera. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a camera that feels like it's from the future, the Sony Alpha 1 is here to blow your mind. This isn't just another camera, it's a powerhouse designed to redefine what's possible in imaging. With its jaw-dropping specs and cutting-edge technology, the Alpha 1 is a dream come true for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the 50.1 MP full-frame stacked XMRRS CMOS sensor. Paired with a next-gen Bionz XR image processing engine, this camera delivers stunning detail, vibrant colors, and incredible dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-paced action, the Alpha 1 captures every moment with breathtaking clarity. But what truly sets this camera apart is its speed. With blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second, you'll never miss a critical moment. The 240 frames per second refresh rate and 9.44 QXGA OLED EVF make tracking fast-moving subjects feel effortless, offering a viewing experience that's as smooth as it is immersive. And let's not forget the world's first anti-flicker mechanical and electronic shutter, ensuring flawless performance even under challenging lighting conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.